Speaking Academy.
Today, let's have a speaking practice at school using a phrase. I like. I like to read. I like to read. I like to write. I like to write. I like to sing. I like to sing. I like to build. I like to build. I like to train. I like to train. I like to cut. I like to cut. I like to eat. I like to eat. I like to paint. I like to paint. I like to run. I like to run. I like to draw. I like to draw. I like to listen. I like to listen. I like to play. I like to play. I like to study. I like to study. I like to exercise. I like to exercise. I like to plant. I like to plant. I like to think. I like to think. I like to walk. I like to walk. I like to practice. I like to practice. I like to learn. I like to learn. I like to dance. I like to dance.